This video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for marketing agency. This is going to be easy. First, go to a Teamspace, but don't click that. What you need to click on is the plus button. Here from template, click that. I've already searched for marketing agency, but if you haven't, you need to type that down, marketing agency, and you'll see these two. So we'll be clicking this one. This one is a folder and this one isn't. This one is like the whole system of it. So let's click it. Use template. Yeah, so you can customize whatever you'd like to import, or you can just import everything. So in my case, I'll import everything. Use template. Let's wait for some time and click to navigate. All right, so here we have the Teamspace marketing agency, and you can see everything that's included in the template. You can just edit them. They're really easy to edit. If you'd like to rename, if you'd like to change the colors and the like, they're going to be easy. The template includes contract progress accounts into more views, contract timeline, yeah, and the like. This one is quite detailed, so you can be guided on what to input here. That's about it. That's how easy it is to use ClickUp for marketing agency. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.